Hello viewers. In this video we see which is better option between ghee and butter. So we start the video. Used traditionally in Indian food, ghee is derived from butter. Whereas butter contains butterfat, milk solids and water, ghee is pure butterfat cooked longer, until all moisture is removed and the milk solids are caramelized and then filtered out. While butter is not necessarily bad for you, ghee has health benefits that make it healthier than butter. The first point is, butter may increase unhealthy cholesterol levels. In the 1990s, researchers found that in a controlled setting, butter leads to a rise in low-density lipoprotein, the unhealthy type of cholesterol. The second point is, ghee may decrease unhealthy cholesterol levels. On the other hand, ghee has been found to lower LDL cholesterol levels when eaten frequently. The third point is, ghee promotes heart health. Many studies in India that showed human populations who consumed more ghee had fewer cases of heart disease. The fourth food is, still, butter is not so bad. Keep in mind that cholesterol levels are not influenced only by things people eat, like butter. Not smoking and exercising regularly can help you maintain balanced cholesterol levels. So in this video we saw the information on ghee and butter. So thank you to watch the video.